In today's digital age, where our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology, the threat of cybercrime looms larger than ever. Imagine clicking on a seemingly innocent link, only to find yourself caught in a web of deception. Today, we're uncovering a shocking phishing campaign that exploits fake CAPTCHA images to deliver the notorious Lumma malware. Join us as we delve into the mechanics of this sophisticated attack, reveal how it targets unsuspecting victims, and arm you with the knowledge to safeguard your online presence. This is not just another cybersecurity story. It's a wake-up call for everyone navigating the online world. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the Lumma Stealer. This malware is designed to steal sensitive information from your device, including passwords, credit card details, and personal data. Once it's on your system, it can wreak havoc on your online life. So how does this phishing campaign operate? Researchers from Netscope Threat Labs discovered over 260 unique domains, hosting around 5,000 phishing PDF files. These PDFs contain fake CAPTCHA images that trick you into thinking you need to verify your identity. But in reality, they're just a gateway to malicious websites. The attackers are using search engine optimization, or SEO, to their advantage. They manipulate search results to make their malicious pages appear legitimate. When you click on these links, you're led straight into their trap. Imagine this. You're just browsing the web, and you come across a link that seems harmless. You click it, and suddenly, your personal information is at risk. This is happening to countless individuals every day. It's not just a statistic, it's a reality for many. Now that you know how this phishing campaign works, let's talk about how to protect yourself. Be skeptical of links. Always hover over links before clicking to see where they lead. Use antivirus software. Keep your devices protected with up-to-date antivirus programs. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest phishing tactics and scams. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. By staying informed and vigilant, you can protect yourself from threats like the Lumma Stealer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever encountered a phishing scam? We'd love to hear your story. Follow us on social media for more tips and updates. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your experiences or questions about online safety. Stay safe out there.